just to check here back at this blackbird C4, this wonderful nest, and the chicks have hatched out there, lovely. Great. Little gap in here, so I'll get the bramble back in. It's just a fabulous nest, I love this. There it is there. Sparse bit of bramble. Nestle there, great. We'll get out. Just back here at white throat number 16, and still got the C3, so just over a week. That's the full clutch. No sitting bird here. So excellent. It's still going strong. Right, we'll get out of here. Found this dunnock just over a week ago at a C3. It's a lovely one in the brambles. It is quite exposed, but as you can see here, no further development. Lost an egg somehow, predated. Eggs, 2 eggs in there. Such a shame. Yeah, it's been hit possibly very recently. 2 eggs still left in the nest. Right, we'll get out of here. Yes, young dunnocks are out of here. This C4 had, and actually I can't hear a dunnock. Chicks might well be around. Aye, flat nest. Robins, beauty. Aye, they're out, and I can't hear a dunnock. Yeah. Right, we'll get out of here. Some young dunnocks in and around here. We'll get out. Lovely black cap here. Heard the male singing here before, so I've just come back, male singing again. In behind, quite high actually this one, 4.5 foot, bramble. But yeah, you can see the clutch of 3 in there now. What a little marble. Beauty, yeah, black cap. Great stuff, we'll get out. Visit back to Chiffchaff number 23, doing well. You can see C4 this one. Chicks have hatched out pretty big actually. Yeah. No Chiffchaff presents. I'm expecting the chiffies to be in. Beauties. Chiffchaff number 23 doing brilliantly. Took the way nest goes here. Excellent. Yeah. Bullfinches out of this one now. Oh. Just one gone overhead here. Aye, great to see. Fantastic. Oh, the droppings out of this one. Yeah, brilliant. There you go. Excellent. Success there with that bullfinch. Check on this linnet as well. This had the C4. It's lower down. It's exposed. I did fear the worst when I found this one, but you can see how the chicks are developing in there. Great as well. Similar stages. Checked in on the C5, sun was shining down, I couldn't see how many chicks were in there, but aye, these are looking brilliant. Great stuff here. Right, get out. Just looking down there on white throat, common white throat number 17. I'm very surprised that there's no clutch in. Female hasn't took this nest up. I originally found this, it was quite raggy. But the whitethroat, the male whitethroat up on the hawthorn, was singing, doing its lovely little flight dances up off the top of it, and you can see this redbreast, of course, sun shining down on that, but it's absolutely magnificent. Such a fantastic little nest. But no joy. Nah. No female in, no clutch in. Well, not that I've seen. It might have had one in. Aye, fantastic. Nests they put in here didn't have a great deal of colour. Look at that. Just in there. Just in there. Coming right through number 19. And I found that with chicks, and the chicks are out of there now. I've heard the common way through it. So these chicks will be in and around. Aye, that's great. Out of there now. Great stuff. Get out. Yeah. In behind. This little wren on the path still going strong. Clutch of 4. Wren's just come off. Been in there a little while. Them eggs will be set to hatch. Quite easy to see. Just got back in to see yellowhammer number 12, and you can see there nests all on its side. About 4 days ago I passed up on top fields and looked down on this area, and the cows were in here. There's not a lot of bramble in amongst these fields, just a little few bits. This was the one with clutch of 4, them pale eggs. Such a shame this, I mean, cows all over this bank side. And like I say, there's 2 little sections of bramble here, and it is right on the edge. What a shame. Aye, get out. So yeah, I'm looking into common whitethroat number 18. I've lost that one. That should have young. Found it with a C4 a little while ago now. Should have young in there. Shame that. It's the one that was very close to this successful common whitethroat, which was common whitethroat number 3. And I thought this might be a second clutch, second brood from that pair, but nah, I lost this one. Common whitethroat number 18 is gone. This is yellowhammer number 11. Now this did have a C4, and I think I can see a beak down there. Yes, so 4 beaks hatched out. That's doing brilliantly. Fantastic. Right, we'll get out of here. There's a little bit of an anomaly with this bramble patch. A little bit of a prune there. Well, there's no need. It doesn't hang over the path or anything like that. There's no need for that to be trimmed. See some sections off there. Probably a good few days ago that. Yeah. Whitethroat gone, yellowhammer survives. Yellowhammer kings here. Right, we get out. And they're coming way through it there. 18. And the pruning. Yeah. It's been dead a good few days, hasn't it? Checking back in on this one, and this one was the one I found built up. I said ready to go. It was one with a little sticky jack in, and you can see yellowhammer's just flown off, and a clutch of 4, which are beauties. That's crack at that. Disappointment there is number 12, and so this one will be number 14. Great stuff. Right, we'll get out. Well, I had just numbered number 14 here. Sorry, there just before. It's got the clutch of 4 in there now, and here's another beauty ready to go. A little section of bramble here, and it's yellowhammer. Yeah, yellowhammer number 15 will make this. Yeah, beauty ready to go. See that in the lining. This one was a beauty. This one was yellowhammer number 9. Last time I checked on this, the day I was going on the days, and it was 6 days old. I was trying to do a little log on it. I did come in after 9. They were brilliant, but I'd lost the footage on that one. Well, I hadn't hit record. I thought it was recording, hadn't hit record. And of course, one thing and another, I haven't been back down. But looking at it, it looks good. A bit raggy there, a bit flat. But I would like to think that the yellowhammer's got out of there on 9. Clutch of 3. I watched it early doors, doing well. 3rd egg did hatch out. I was timing from there, but I blinked and missed that. Right, we'll get out.